Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Ikjavan. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming videos. Elchikeri. Elchikeris are usually served as side dishes having a subtle flavor and taste. These are usually non-spicy, a must during festive occasions and temple samradhans, and are very much relished by all. You can make many types of elchikaris. Find them in the blog post given in the description below. Choose a very ripe and yellow pumpkin for this dish as the sweetness of the pumpkin gives the dish its uniqueness. We will need about quarter kg pumpkin, 3/4 cup tur dal, half cup grated coconut, a quarter spoon haldi, 2 red chilies and salt to taste. For tempering, we need 1 teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon jeera, quarter cup grated coconut and some curry leaves. Now we shall pressure cook the dal along with the pumpkin. Since the skin is tender, I am adding it as such. If you remove the skin, cook the pumpkin separately. While the dal is cooking, make a smooth paste of the grated coconut, haldi and chilies. Here is the cooked dal. Alongside it, I have kept a pan for tempering. Add the oil and splatter the mustard seeds. Add the coconut masul to the dal and a little water if needed and bring it to a boil. Add the jeera and the curry leaves in the pan. And finally the coconut. Let it roast on a low flame. You can add more water to the dal if you want to serve it as a main accompaniment with rice, or keep it thick if it is to be served as a side dish. Once you see the dal boiling, reduce flame and let simmer for 2 to 3 minutes and add salt to taste. Mix well and switch off after a boil. Now that the coconut has roasted well, add this aromatic panna to the curry. Your elchikeri is ready to be served at a feast along with various other yam amchi dishes. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.